I tried AutoShorts AI for an entire month, and in this video I want to share my personal experience with it. As crazy as it sounds, I actually made around 3 Indian rupees lakhs in just 30 days. I know that sounds unbelievable, so I want to break down exactly how it happened, what worked, what didn't, and whether this tool is really worth using. I started using AutoShorts AI because short-form content is exploding everywhere: Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok. And doing everything manually like editing, subtitling, and adding templates takes a lot of time. AutoShorts AI helps simplify this, because with a single click, it creates captions, transitions, and templates. So I decided to test it properly by uploading 5 to 10 shorts every day for a month. The first week was all about learning, figuring out which templates worked best and what kind of content was most likely to go viral. I tried motivational quotes, business tips, celebrity speeches, and trending audio. In the beginning, the views were pretty average, around 2,000 to 5,000 per video. But what mattered is that I was able to produce almost 10 times more content than I normally could, thanks to AI automation. By the second week, things started to change. One motivational short got 120K views, and a business-related short crossed 400K. That's when I realized that with short-form content, quantity plus consistency increases your chances of hitting viral numbers. The third week was when the money actually started coming in. I earned from 3 sources: YouTube Shorts bonuses, affiliate marketing links in the comments, and 2 brand shoutouts. The full 3 Indian rupees lakhs didn't come from ads alone. It was a mix of roughly 1.2 Indian rupees lakh from affiliates, 70,000 Indian rupees from brand deals, and around 1 Indian rupee lakh from YouTube earnings. In the 4th week, I doubled the output and started posting around 20 shorts per day. I didn't do it manually, of course. AutoShorts AI handled almost 80% of the editing. I just chose the ideas and uploaded the content, which led to around 3 to 5 million views in a single week. Now, talking honestly about the tool, it has clear advantages. It saved a lot of time, provides easy-to-use templates, generates subtitles that are viral-friendly, and is perfect for producing content in bulk, especially if you're a beginner. But it also has drawbacks. The free version is limited. Some niches don't perform well with its templates, and the videos can look repetitive if you don't customize them. So, the real question is, can AutoShorts AI help you earn 3 Indian rupees lakhs too? My honest answer is that it's possible, but only if you are consistent and if you choose trending or evergreen niches. The tool itself isn't magic, but it speeds up content creation, and in short-form platforms, speed plus volume equals results. Overall, the 30-day experiment was a big learning experience, and if someone wants to start creating short content using AI, AutoShorts AI is definitely worth trying as long as you combine it with smart strategy and consistency. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more experiments and reviews.